No wahala. Thank you. Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me? Okay. Great. Good afternoon. You're welcome to this today's session of life Thursday life trade. Um, can you hear anything else in the background? Yeah. Hello. If you can hear just my voice, just say something so I'll know. And if you can hear other voices, just let me know because I need to know that it's just me you can hear. Okay. Let's see. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? somebody should just type something in the comment section so I know you can see my screen. Great, thank you. So let's see. So today we are looking to make some good profit in the market, and hopefully the price action will favor us. Yeah. Okay. So we have about an hour. What I'll do is I'll quickly go through some of the pairs I have and a bit of introduction into the way I trade. Then we'll look for setups and hopefully make some cool cash. So basically, I'm a liquidity trader. I like to follow the story that price action is telling, and I wait for liquidity to be taken, then I start trading. So what I do basically is most of the pairs I trade are USD based. So the DXY is my friend. So this is a DXY on a daily time frame. Like I said, I'm a liquidity trader, and I look for liquidity in all of its variants, equal highs, equal lows, relatively equal highs, fair value gaps, and the likes.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everyone doing? We're live. Please do well to share the link with every single person that should be here with us. We're going to be concluding our series. We've been going through this series since I think 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. We started this. I think we started this series at the beginning of this month, and we were not able to conclude last week because I was very occupied on Monday, so I couldn't do this with you guys on Monday. So, are you ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So how is everyone doing, and how is the market? Mahmoud Mohammed, good to see you. Good morning. How are you, and how has the market been? Daniel Friday, how are you, and how has the market been? Just share with me a brief, of your experience with the market last week. Come on, guys. Let's know how we are doing. Let's know how we are doing.
My experience with the market has been perhaps, there's that.
How is the market treating you guys? Okay, Mohammed Mahmoud said it was good, especially live trading with you on Thursday. Okay, yeah, true. If you guys made live trading with us on Thursday, you guys left a lot of money. You guys just abandoned money on the table. Okay, every Thursday we come on here to trade with you guys live. It's always an amazing time trading. For the past 4 consecutive periods we've come on here to share live, we've always hit profit consecutively for 1 full month. That's a record, man. Every single Thursday we're making money live on this channel. Okay. Mwakama, yes, I'm good. Good morning. You're welcome, Mama Straight. Good morning. Good morning to you too.
Hello, guys. Are we ready to make some profit? It's 1 p.m. already. So I'll just get right to it. So just one more time, I need you to confirm if you can hear me and you can see my screen. Just anybody, just confirm so I'll get to analysis. Great, thank you very much. Matthew Akinyemi, thank you very much. So, like I said earlier, I'm a liquidity trader and I basically just follow price action because price always has a story to tell. So, and most of my pairs, you can see they have USD sandwiched in them. So you see Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. I think it's just GBP JPY that doesn't have a US, so that is not USD based. So DXY here is my friend. So I would start with the DXY index. So you'd get an overview of what we are trying to do here today. And hopefully would catch some good pips, be it an intraday trade or a swing position. But yeah, would catch some good pips. I'm excited. I hope you are too. So as you can see from this daily candle, from the daily chart, the DXY is in a downtrend, making series of higher lows, higher high, sorry, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and it's been falling. If I put my 200 EMA, you can see it's just been falling. So I won't really want to bother you with all this drama. So I'd focus really on this last impulsive move here, from here to here. So you can say from here to here is the impulsive move on the XY. Now, what did it do? This move originated from here, you can call it relatively equal high, you can call it a strong resistance zone. So it came all the way down, and what did it do? It took out this guy as liquidity. So I'm just going to mark it out with my dollar sign. Then it came again and took out this guy as liquidity. No, not you. With my dollar sign. So after it's done that, this is the impulsive leg. As you know, with market, with every impulsive move, there's bound to be some sort of retracement. And something interesting is happening here. With this impulsive move to the downside, count the number of days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. It left gaps. And once you see gaps like this, it's liquidity, it's a liquidity variant. Price tends to go up into those gaps and fill it up. So for you to say a move is completed, like there is the impulse move and there's the retracement, the retracement has to be about 50% of the impulsive move. So we'll use our fib and measure from here to here. And you can see this is a 50% of the fib. I hope you can see my screen. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Let me check. Great. So you can see this is the 50% of the fib. So this is the retracement, and the market came back in and filled this fair value gap here, tapped into it, and it's going down. So what is my expectation? I expect the SY to trade lower to take out these relatively equal lows here. It might take a couple of days, it might take a couple of weeks, but this basically is my expectation. I expect the XY to trade lower to take out these guys. So since I'm bearish on the XY, it means on Euro USD, GBP USD, AUSD, I'll be bullish. Then on pairs like USD JPY, USD CHF, I'll be bearish. You get? So that's that. So having done this, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can also see it clearly. It came up here, filled this fair value gap, and it's now going to the downside. So let me look at my first pair of interests, which is the Euro USD. Great. So as you can see, based on what the XY gave, I won't really go into the daily again, so it won't take much of our time. Euro USD has been on an uptrend. And if you can remember what I told you about a move, an impulse move and a corrective move, this is the start of this last impulse move. So you put your fib here, you take it up here, and there you go. And what has price done? It came right into that 50%, within the 50 and the 61, or you can call it the 62%, and ended that correction to continue a push to the upside. So for a long-term trade, I took a buy from here using this other block. I'm just going to remove this. With my SL slightly down here. So on this trade, and I'm expecting it to get up all the way here. And this is a good one, is to 10, which is not bad. And as I've taken partials, so it's good. So what we're going to try to do today is look for a way to compound this trade by looking for some sort of pullback into this zone. So while we are here, you can say from here to here is 50% of the move. Like this is the 100, this is the full expansive leg. So we should be looking for some sort of pullback into this 50% for continuation to the upside. Now take note that when this move went up, it took liquidity from here. It took liquidity from here. So this price is bound to retrace a little bit before it will continue its move to the upside. So I'm just going to take this out. Oh, hold on. Let me switch my settings to oh, let me see. Sorry, I always use dark screen because of my eyes. Whoa. So now I can't even remember how to. Okay, light. Let me see. Dark. Oh, see, that's an issue. Just hold on. Let me try to see if I can. What is happening here? Okay. Let me see. I think it's my laptop. My laptop has a black screen, so let's that. And I can't seem to figure out a way to I can't seem to figure out a way to continue to make it white. I don't know. Oh, okay. Background. Background. Whoa, this is crazy. Is it better now? Like, is this better? Let me see. So this is better. Okay, good. Let's continue then. Oh, okay. This is too bright, but it's fine. So yeah, like I said, this is an impulsive leg. This is a correction. So this is actually complete. So I'll be looking for a pullback into at least 50% of this. So I'll use my fib from here. Oh no, everything has gone white. Oh man, this is just okay. You can see now, yes? Great. So like I said, I'm just going to take this out. Sorry, these things are so tiny. And I'll take this move to this move. So I'll be looking for price to retrace into this zone for a continuation to the upside. So yes, that's it. So let's go to my favorite time frame, the 1 hour, and see what price is telling us. So this is a 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the market moved. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to mark this as 50 from here. And price is coming down strongly. As you can see, the market took out this guy. So this is the 50% line. Now there is an order block here from here to here. So I expect price to come and fill this order block. But on the other hand, let's look at 15 minutes. And yes, we have our order block. And price is approaching there fast. So let's see. And like I said, I'm not comfortable with engaging here because it's not, this is the premium zone. I am not comfortable buying from this zone. I am not comfortable. And this is propelled by news. I'm not comfortable buying from this zone. So I'd want price to get, let me just remove this. I'd want price to get at least to this line. So what I would mark is I'll take out this and I need price to clear this liquidity here. So I'll mark this liquidity point and put my dollar sign. Is it not showing? So then I'll take my buy from here. And I'll target this high. This is a 10 pip stop loss. Let me see what my EMA is saying in check pivot. So I'll give the trade room to breathe. So I'll make this 15 pip stop loss. And this would be a 1:4. So this is the first signal of buy on Euro USD. The entry is at, let me type it out in the comment section. Oh. No, you'd have to buy from this point. Let me try and type out the parameters. This is it. The entry is at 1.10877. Your stop loss is at 1.10727. Then the TP is at 1.11501. Let me try and type it out in the. One point 10877. One point 10727. 541. So that's the first signal. Yeah, I'm aware that I'm aware that there's a news event. I'm very much aware, as you can see. So manage your risk properly. This is my first point of interest. If this should get invalidated, this is my second point of interest. I believe this would hold, but if it should get invalidated, I'll be engaging again from here. So this is where risk management comes in and is very important. This is a 15 pip stop loss. So let's give it 18. So you let the trade breathe. And this is still 1:4. So it's not bad. One point 10713. One point 10533. One point 10503. No, don't delete the first order. It's my first point of interest. The first order is my first point of interest. This is my second point of interest. I had to send both because if price should violate this level, this one should hold. So what you do is, in terms, if you were supposed to risk, let's say $10 on this trade, you might split it 5 here, 5 here. So you don't have to delete the first one. But yeah, I think the first should hold. There is a support level here. I have this pivot just down here acting as additional confluence. So it should hold. But if it doesn't, this one should work. So if you're risking 10%, let's say $10 in this trade, you might want to split it 5 here. If this one holds to full profit, it's a 1:4 trade. If this one holds, it's a 1:4 trade. Even if you get taken out here with $5, you get to make 20 back here. So there's that. That's that for EU. Let me look at what GU is doing. Okay. Yeah, basically the same thing. So let me put this right here and put this right here. So the market is it's dropping. And the news is in about 1 minute 40 seconds. So let's just wait and see how it'll react, it'll respond to the news. It's just 1 minute, so let's see how the market would respond to the news. Okay, let me see how the news came out. Oh, it's actually positive for the USD. Well, let's see. Price action is price action, with or without news. for this second one, I'll just put it up here so you can see it. I'm just going to leave this position here so you can see it. But the first one has already been activated and the news is still doing its thing. So let's see. Just one or two ways it will go. Either it takes us out and activates the second, or it goes back up. The news came out positive actually, so this strong movement is expected. And almost at stop loss. And there it is. And it has triggered the second one. So let's see. Okay, let's look at another pair. If you're already in this trade, just let it do its thing. We'll have to look at some other pair. So as you can see, the second entry is in a bit of a profit, but it's still battling with price. So we'll just leave that to do its thing. Then I'll probably see a non-USD pair if I can get out another signal. Ooh, this is some not so great price action. So yeah, let me look at this pair. Let me see what happened here. Okay. This is a classic liquidity grab. That's crazy. That's crazy. Is that a break of structure to the downside? There is. I can see this structure here. That's broken to the downside. So I need to find a return to origin. Has it already done that? Seems so. But still, I expect it to come and take all this liquidity here. Because it's just begging for it. It might come, it might not come, but I expect it to take all that liquidity there. For when it does, we'll be looking to go short from here. And we'll target this low, or eventually this low. This is a 13 pip stop loss, so I'll just use this initial high. This one. And I'll just make that a 23 pip stop loss. Let's see what EU is doing. Okay, the second entry for EU is still, it's hanging in there. So let's see what it wants to do. I just hope this is not too sniper for your broker, especially because of spread. So this is the second signal, GBPJPY, a sell order. So this trade will take a while. So I think that'll be all for now from my end. These are the two signals I'll be giving out. So we can just have talk and I'll answer any questions you might have. I don't really trade a lot of pairs per time. And personally, I tend to leave only one open trade at a time. So I use Exness, but you can use any broker you want. Just check the spread they have and see if it works for you. You can use APT, any broker, but I use Exness. So any other questions? Okay. In about 2 minutes, I'll call it a day. Then you can manage your trades from here. If you took the Euro USD, my first point of interest was invalidated. My second point of interest got triggered and it's in profit, as you can see. So you can manage your trades from here. Personally, once price gets to about 1:1 of my original entry, I tend to take partials. So, or 1:2, depending on what you're looking at. I can't see any structural level here. So it's going to be a bit difficult to set a zone. But yeah, once price gets there, you can secure partial and move to break even. That's if we don't get stopped out. So, and that would be that. Thank you all for tuning in. Trade safely. Enjoy the rest of your day.